What's her name?
Yeah, Bull and Bear Bistro.
Yeah, this is a. Oh my god. I don't see the live though.
Just refresh it.
Still not.
Yeah, just a second. Let me see. Hello, अस्सलाम
Yeah,
वालेकुम.
yeah.
वालेकुम सलाम।
Oh my god.
क्या हाल है भाई?
I don't see the live
हाँ
though.
भाई. Just refresh it.
क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
किस बारे में?
कुछ बोल रहा था चलो जिसका
Still
फॉलो
not.
कुछ नहीं, मैंने हाँ मैं तुम्हारे को बोल रहा था वो जो इससे पहले हमारे पास हेवी इक्विपमेंट का वो आया रिक्वायरमेंट, तो उसके अंदर भाई ये जॉन डियर के तो भाई मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मेरे को अभी तक तो कोई मिला नहीं है। वेराज जनरेटर्स मिल गए मुझे। हाँ मैं तुम्हारे को बोल रहा था, ठीक है, और अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई कॉन्टैक्ट हो भाई वो जॉन डियर वगैरह वाले तो मुझे बताओ। तो उसके
जॉन
अंदर
डियर।
भाई ये जॉन डियर के तो भाई मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मेरे को अभी तक तो कोई मिला नहीं है। वेराज जनरेटर्स मिल गए मुझे, ठीक, और अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई कॉन्टैक्ट हो भाई वो जॉन डियर वगैरह वाले तो मुझे बताओ।
जॉन डियर।
जॉन डियर के हेड। जॉन डियर इज अ ब्रांड।
ओके, ये कैटरपिलर दे सकते हैं आप जॉन डियर।
ऑल्टरनेट, हाँ इजार वालों से बात चल रही है मेरी, लेकिन वेरी बैड रिस्पॉन्स भाई। बहुत 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 बेकार रिस्पॉन्स रेट है उन लोगों का।
कैटरपिलर इधर।
या आई नो। तो उसके अंदर अपने स्कूल का एक लौंडा काम करता है, वो शेन हरिदास।
ओके।
तो उससे बात करी भाई, शुरू में उसने ब्रदर ब्रदर करके मेरे को बोला ड्रॉप मी एन ऑफिशियली में ब्रो, यार भाई गायब हो गया भाई। अभी मैसेज करता हूँ तो रिप्लाई नहीं करता है।
द पार्ट ऑफ इजार।
Yeah, yeah, I know.
के तो ये जो कल आरएफक्यू आया है उसके तो सारे आइटम्स हो गए, सिर्फ रोड ग्रेडर ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं। तो रोड ग्रेडर के लिए मैंने लेहा वालों से बात करी है, सारी आइटम्स के लिए बात करी है, लेकिन अब्दुल अजीज बोल रहा है रोड ग्रेडर लेहा वालों के पास है। हाँ बाकी सब दाइम से हो गया है। दाइम से बात कर रहा हूँ, एजीआई से बात कर रहा हूँ, और किससे कर रहा हूँ, सुधीर को भी भेजा है मैंने, सुधीर वालों ने रिप्लाई नहीं किया। देखो।
बस यही पूछ रहा था भाई कि जॉन डियर वगैरह के लिए अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई कांटेक्ट हो या कुछ ऑल्टरनेट ऑप्शन हो तो।
कैटरपिलर का होता है।
ठीक है देखता हूँ। ओके करेक्ट। Yeah. Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah, I hear you. It's looking so good. Like right now, it's awesome. Like you did it. 2 screens, everything, right?
Right.
Nice, nice, nice.
So your screen and my screen are
Yeah. Hmm. All right, bro.
Yeah, bro. This is so good.
Hmm.
Like even your charts are visible, and my charts are visible too. That way, both of our executions can be visible.
Can you like it's my chart is a little different.
Can I what?
Wait, let me do some zoom in action maybe. Yeah, if I zoom in on it, it looks okay. Can you make those? Oh yeah, something like that.
That's what I'm trying
Maybe.
to do.
Maybe pull the chart. Can you pull the chart, or it's not possible to pull the chart area higher? I don't know how does it work. I have no idea. I'll leave this part to you. You're Indian. You're the IT guy. I wanna leave this is your task, bro. This is your task.
Okay, how does it look?
It's in your blood.
I think we can make it a little more better.
It looks decent. You know, the only difference is that my chart is for sure not 1080 1080p and
Check now.
yours uh, checking in a sec. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good, but it's for sure 720, right? Mine and
Yeah,
yours is
because
1080.
because you are streaming via Discord. There is no option for you to be added on OBS Studio. Whereas on StreamYard, I could have directly added you on a call. The only
Huh.
way for you to be sorry, what?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. So the only way
I'm just
for me to
agreeing.
put you on OBS Studio.
All right. Well, it's okay. It's nice like this.
So my charts are being streamed at 1080. Yours, whereas, is like 720 because of Discord.
Yeah, but it's all right, man.
But I believe you can change the settings in your Discord. Like you can go over there and
Give me a
make your
second and I'll
resolution
check.
1080 or something like that. Yeah, bro, this is so good. My charts are visible too.
Really?
Yeah, bro, this is so good. My charts are visible too.
Anyway. Thank you, Ked. Jó van, na menjünk ki. Menjél te. Let me check Discord then. Thank you, Ked. Walks me through it, bro. Like, how? Wait. Let me pull this here and maybe you can help me. More options. Voice, video, and settings. Camera streaming, okay. No. Camera. Thank you, Ked. Walks me through it, bro.
Streaming.
How?
Go into streaming.
Let me pull this here and maybe you can help me.
Show advanced streaming options. Above.
Voice, video.
Show advanced streaming settings. Yeah. Stream.
Camera streaming, okay. No. That's not it. Camera.
Wait, let me Google it. Can you
Freeze.
go into streaming?
Your voice is cracking a little bit.
Show advanced streaming options. Above.
Voice, video.
Show advanced streaming settings. Yeah. Stream.
Camera streaming, okay. No. That's not it. Camera.
Yeah. While Nitro subscribers can stream up to 4K 6. You have to subscribe to Nitro.
To what?
The Nitro thing on Discord.
To make it 1080.
My connection or something's up with your mic or I don't know.
No. Basically, the YouTube was on, because of which my voice was echoing. Is it better now, or is it still cracking?
Not all the time. Just sometimes it's just something like this.
Yeah. Now it won't.
I just
Probably.
I don't want my trading view to crash or something. Because I have some problem then, but it's okay. It's on. Cool. Okay, I'm logged in. Nice. Let me see if what did the yesterday's trade do for me. I'm interested. Tuesday. Where's that? What the hell is that? Oh my god. Brother.
Yes, brother.
Look at this. If I trail properly. Where did I enter yesterday? I entered this impulse entry, right? Over there. Correct? Yeah, correct. And I had my stop here. If I'm right. And I trailed here. No, I didn't have my stop there. I had my stop right here. Like this. No. Here. Yeah, I had my stop over here. Look at my, yeah, I should have allowed this fair value gap to be digged into, to be honest. Right now looking at, okay, it's easy hindsight, right, but I should have risked like this small area yesterday. This much risk. Just pull the stop one tick below the fair value gap, and that way I could have just trail up and up. Right now here I could have just turned on 1 minute or whatever. Or be below this one or this one. 8R. It's crazy actually how nicely this one ran.
Yeah.
And to target, actually, if you want to be like a maniac, that's 11.8. Well, also there's this one. Although I didn't trade back into this BDR. Yesterday was nice. Like this one was nice. I failed on the exit part. Unfortunate. I'm a little bit still in the mood of, like taking profit on the 1 minute trails. It's a little more like very aggressively. But I don't need to do that. I have to allow some room for like these Verweiger pullbacks and stuff, or little internal sweeps and things like that of that nature. Yeah. 16 minutes till the open. You have your day charted and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Me as well. Actually, I only need to mark this daily gap, and that's it. Which is from 990. It's currently opening gap. 990 to what? 85.75. Okay. On NQ at least. That's the gap. Okay. 990. Alright. That's it. Maybe mark this PDR as well. There's a big void here. We could do the same thing as yesterday if price wanna continue. Or what do you think?
So I am still pretty bullish. We are hovering above, nearby the previous day high, basically. I want
Same thing
to
as yesterday. Yeah.
So the nearest drawn liquidity is 245.25. So if we are still bullish today, that is where we are heading. But just in case, if we take out the Asian high, which is 58, and then reverse, then we could see 933, and then 884.25. So yeah, that's what I think.
What is it? 64.75? It's gonna be very close, these PDRs to each other, but basically I wanna see above both or below both to make a decision in this case. Alright, cool. We have that. I don't need PDRs here. I have this one. Alright. So we just ran these lows previously. In one like 615. These ones, see? And we didn't make a new high on the day yet off of that thing. I mean, maybe this is like first set of like equal lows-ish. Important. And this is second, and that's it. 50. Close ones. That's 58. Thank you. Right there. So 34. 33.75 on NQ. Right there. Okay. Well, thing is, we didn't leave anything equal low. Any equal lows are like the closest equal lows are at 606.50 on the 15-minute. Other than this 933.75, which we just created at 6 a.m. New York. Do we have anything over here? Ooh, did you check these size? 254 or
254.
up? Well, not 254.
245.
254. I had no idea. Right here.
245. What is 254?
Not 250. Yeah, 250. What?
Are you on MNQ or NQ?
Look adjusted. Look adjusted. Wait a sec. What is here? Please, yeah, this one. It's not close. It's 267 on NQ. It's different. 267. 26, 267. That's my target for the bullish day. We have these 245.25. That's one of the, like, that's basically like, we have equal highs at 267.50. That's equal with the 245 that you marked. Yeah? Can you see that?
Just a second, brother.
267.50 on NQ. Yeah. Okay. By the way,
Yeah.
guy just texted me on Discord, like, are you in live trading? Like Will's channel, basically.
Hmm.
I just wanted to see, like, if I believe this 60 hour a month thing that he says. I kind of explained what he does and how he does it, and just, I don't know, bro. Like, I'm 80% sure he's legit. That's what I kind of said. That was the conclusion, basically. But it's impossible, bro. At least for me, it's impossible. But I don't want to say impossible, but maybe I need to make money with this system this way, and then maybe I can focus on tightening the risk, right?
Right.
Actually, that's what he suggested for everyone. Just take the trade with a setup. Don't try to make the most amount of R. Just make 3, 4 R, whatever. Doesn't matter. Just make money, be profitable. Then you can optimize. That's what he says all the time. Nobody cares, of course. Everybody wants to make 50 R a month. He told everyone it's not gonna happen. So, and he's right. Like, for 1 year, I've been trying this, trying to make this work, and it's just not happening. Thing is, you have to be like 100% certain on those positions which you take that those are legit. Those can produce like 80, 90% break even rate. Like, hell, if I could like do 50% break even rate with those trades, I would be profitable with it. But I couldn't. I think I did like 30% break evens or 25, and 20% wins, and whatever, like 60% of them are lost,
Mm-hmm.
or 10% wins and 70% lost. So that way it's not working. Like, I had like 5, 6 R on average, sure, but I lost like 10 trades in a row, or I don't know, maybe 5, 6. So it's not, it's not even breaking even. So yeah, it's hard. This way it's easier, much easier. It removes the element of precision. Like,
I'm facing the same shit again, by the way.
what are you doing?
My card is getting declined again and again.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, I'm trying to buy an account, but my card is getting declined. I don't know
I
why.
had that before. Like, Lucid has some issues sometimes.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah,
last time,
I
like
had
a couple
that
months
issue
ago.
before. Yeah, a couple months ago. The same thing. The problem is, that in my residence permit, my profession is a labor, and fuck, I
And
should not talk about all this over here. I'll explain it to you later.
Where do you live? In Bahrain or Danan or where did you? I always forget.
Sorry?
Where do you live? What's it called?
The
The
mom.
city. Dammam.
Yeah.
For some reason, I remember like Bahrain or whatever. So this guy lives in Dubai who just reached out to me.
Okay.
Yeah, he visited Budapest and whatever. Lived in Germany and as well. All right, so the market just opened. Let me check. Did you mark 267.50? Those are like high time frame equal highs.
Okay. So
Okay.
it seems like I'll be paper trading today as well.
Shit.
Yeah.
At least they are not taking your money and not giving you access to the account.
Yeah. It's getting declined. I don't know why.
I had the same thing, but not your card getting declined. It's just not loading, right?
I'll tell it to you on a private call. Don't worry. This is a fucked up scenario. Like I know why is it happening. So yeah.
I think we run this 58 first for like because this 955-ish low, equal low got run around 6. So it kind of makes sense to run 58
Oh.
first, I guess. But we had this huge week up as well.
Yeah, I want that wick to be taken out before
What is
that.
that wick? What is
Maybe
that? Like
some
that?
sweep towards the downside, some sweep over here, and then like a reversal is something that I would be interested in.
Like there is a lot of. I mean, it's not a lot of levels here. I have 3 levels over here. Half of the weekly, which is holding price down. You have this daily opening gap, and this very tiny volume imbalance on the monthly.
Oh.
Sort of getting respected, but there's nothing. Well, but the weeklies are being respected very nicely. If you look at my chart, like here, weekly, hold above the weekly, getting to the next one. Right now we're at this one.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very nice. And this weekly, if it gets broken, we can charge for like 167.50. If we get above that, maybe 267.50 is in reach for today. Hell, we gotta fucking make all-time highs if we do this every day. I just like the fact that Bitcoin doesn't just run. It's kind of just it's still in the range. still inside this range, but I have no idea what's gonna happen above 76,000 on futures. BTC. It has a chance of just. Where's the futures here? Yes, 76. There are a couple levels to hold it down, but it might just run to 100K. I would hate that thing, but whatever. What did you say? You want to buy Bitcoin around 40,000? I remember something like that you said. 45 to 50. Abdul.
Sorry, bro. I was just in between a conversation. Just give me 2 minutes, brother.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm back. 2658 is something that should happen after me.
I'm looking for that as well. It's just
Another thing is that right now we have closed the 15-minute candle above the 15-minute fair value gap, which gives me kind of a bullish vibe, at least till 2658 and then 245. So overall my bias was bullish. I wanted to see go up, but yeah, let's see what we get.
it's a range on the 15 minutes. So we'll see what happens here. It's time to break the range, I guess, on New York Open and New York Stock Exchange Open. The best time to do it. When did we start this range? 1 a.m. New York is like London Open or something, right? Or it's 2 a.m. London Open? Abdul.
Sorry, what, bro?
What time is the London Open?
London, 2 o'clock.
Usually 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is 1 a.m.? What is this 1 a.m.? We're at
1 a.m. is pre-London Open.
Pre-London Open.
Yeah.
And then that was the. So we saw some volatility there. Okay. It's range bound. To be honest, I don't really care here about anything. I don't really want to trade inside this range. 58 to 933. I don't want to do anything. Like I want to see.
Bro, we cannot do anything. We just gotta sit on our hands because there's nothing to do.
I want to see either like 58 run or 33.75 run, and we'll see what happens off of that. Like if it's a sweep, I would love to take the other side. I would even short this back down to 33s if 58 is just a sweep and this what's it called, like 50% level is lost after it's gained.
What is the up? Okay, I got a quote finally.
Abdul, look at this.
Yeah, show me.
Fucking hoof, bro. I have everything in dollars. Like my whole savings is in dollars.
Mm.
and this guy wins the election on Sunday, and my dollar savings just go poo poo 4% in one day. Fuck, man. Like Hungarian forints are strong. I don't know. Like if you look at the chart, it's a little weak. Not gonna lie. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's a little weak. I mean, the dollar is weak compared to the hoof right now, which is well, not looking good for my dollar bag. But it would be crazy to like getting a strengthening, like trending Hungarian forint trending against dollar.
Maybe
It
you
would
can
be
like
great.
exchange a few thousand, into hooks and then buy it at a lower price that way. You'll just hedge basically.
I don't know. I want to buy Bitcoin. That's why it's in USDT in Bybit. Just waiting for Bitcoin to show something. Maybe it already showed sort of a reversal or trying to show a reversal. I don't know. It's still 15 days left. Would be nice to buy in this lower part range here.
Okay, so the Asian high has been taken out,
Yeah,
but there is still nothing.
I'm looking for anything. If it wants to die from here, I'm fine with that as well. Taking shorts, especially because these lows are very juicy on the 1 minute as well. So that's that's a sweep. That's a sweep. If we lose 40.25, I want to retest short against the sweep. In that way, I can make what's that like? What is this? Here 2.5, and to target it's 5.4. Final target basically. That looks good. Let's see if this one wants to hold or not.
Are you planning to take those sales?
I am for sure. Want to see this like getting a little weak. Okay, so I can go with a stop market sell, stop market order below this wick against this, and I'm cool with that as well. Right over there. Same thing basically. Rebreaking that would be should get me like 20. Let's see. So how much is that? It's like 4 are that way into this, which is like 2. Guess I'm in short. We might retest this. Let's see. Okay, and reject please. Or is this the curse? Every first trade fails on me? Every first trade fails? It's like a thing? I don't know. No, bro! No, I'm risking $450 for some reason. Why? Sell stop 10 440. Why? Why isn't this like 500? I should be in with one more contract, bro.
It's all right.
Not that. No, it's not alright. I have fixed risk amounts.
I know, but the price moved.
Yeah, whatever. Right now it's whatever, but I should like see things
Yeah,
like this.
keep that in
I
mind.
should have. I don't know why can't I just like fix 500, like fixate that shit. Why is it so hard? Okay, the moment we break like any of these internal loads, I go break even. Like 850. If 850 gets broken, I'm the basically this one. Are you really not breaking that? Okay, we do. Cool. We did break that. Cool. Let me see it.
Oh.
Holy crap! What was that? And right now I get completely reversed back on me. Just watch. It's gonna reverse back on me immediately. You can't trail, huh?
You should have placed your profit target.
My profit target is not that. My profit target is 30s.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But that's kind of an internal. It would have been a trail there for me, but like this, I can't trail. Unfortunate. That was quick. Spot. I'm seeing this one going back to break even. Potentially. It's a big range. So. But we did run the highs. It's just so easy to wig back up into this 15-minute candle. That's the thing. It's not that hard to do. Yep, we're going back at it. Well, this time the take profit would have worked perfectly. That's for sure. But it's okay. It would have been like a 2 hour TP on high time frame level. Actually, I had an itch to like trail aggressively below these, but it happened in a second, so it's all right. Where is this 15-minute wick? Oh, okay, we just traded into the bare minimum of it. Probably it's not enough. Probably it's not enough. I will see. Circus. Should I give it a chance? Tick into the gap? Okay, I'm cooked. Break even. No, bro, I lost money on this trail. $25 for no reason. Fuck this.
And that was
Well,
a good trade.
it was a good trade. I just couldn't trade at all. This one was a TP trade. This one was a TP trade.
That was like 2 hour.
That's 2.1, yeah. Yeah, yeah. If I enter it like the correct way or like letting it retest and shit, it would have been like 2.9. That's actually like 2.9. You might consider taking it off or something.
Okay.
We're above it. Again, the level. Let's see. But I can see this one just re-sweep and then die again. I don't know. We barely took the high, to be honest. This
If we would have
58 is.
swept like 78, 75 at least, then I would have tried the long, but it did not. Those are equal lows that do not
Yeah.
really bring my confidence into the trade. So probably I
Yeah.
would be still interested in the reverses if the
Thing is, it's a hard range for
that's
these
it.
reasons.
So
For these reasons, like
59, if 59 it swept again, 59.75. And then if we have a reversal, then I would be interested in the short, aiming for the London lows. But so far,
Which one is the London low? 33 or?
yeah, 33.75.
Okay. It doesn't need to sweep in theory. Again, it can just put in a high right over here off of the bearish OB. This shit, but I'm not gonna try something like that in a market which is going up like this over the past couple of days. It's not the thing to do. Smart thing. But in theory, this is fine. It's a 3-pillar setup in a range. I don't think it's good, but in theory, it's okay. Thank you. Minute.
Where did you go?
Huh?
Where did you go?
I didn't go anywhere, brother. I just I typed it for you.
Okay. Yesterday we had a similar price action, by the way.
You know, I don't want to leave the chart with my sweep, so
Oh.
that's why.
Price
That's
free,
why.
like I said, DYOR, we're talking about that.
I'll open some windows. At least.
Happening all this bullish, I feel like eventually.
Well, I think we gotta sit on our hands for a while.
Yeah, there's nothing really to be done.
Also, we move so much. Like, let me check the daily chart. The thing is, like, at some point we're gonna reverse, and it's gonna take at least a day of range bound type of.
We have moved so much, so I wouldn't be surprised if we are in a range bound session today.
Like, bro, it's almost all-time highs.
Yeah, that's what. So if it
Like 2
ranges
weeks
today, I
ago.
wouldn't really be surprised.
Like 2 weeks ago, we've been like people were saying we're going in a bear market or whatever. Well, not really. And I don't know what turned this shit around. Like, we didn't have so bullish news or whatever. Like, still that Hormuz gateway or what's it called? It's still closed, right? It's not opened up. Oil is not flowing there. I don't know why it's so bullish right now. We still have the war. Like, what's going on, by the way, Abdul?
Yeah,
Or is it so certain that it's gonna be over in a month or what?
I don't know, man. Like, to be very honest,
Is it that fucking certain that it's gonna be over in a couple
I don't
months?
think so.
That's for sure.
Again, I cannot be certain about anything because they say one thing, they do another thing, which is like,
Yeah, I don't really like listen to them and then take a position of that, but
yeah,
the market doesn't lie. To be honest, this shit doesn't lie. Like people are buying this stuff for a reason.
man,
Like and Nike
why
had like a
I
10%
am,
pullback.
to be honest, I'm happy that the markets are going up because
Yeah,
I really want to be a part of the downfall. Okay, because
if it's gonna happen at all, like maybe we don't have the.
not right now, but come on, let's accept the fact that it might happen at some point. Because I genuinely feel like these are all inflated prices, like so inflated.
Currently in the past 2 weeks,
Mm.
or generally like the couple, like half a year or whatever, or yearly.
Yeah, generally like half a year or so. So
Yeah.
my uncle lives in Chicago. All right. So I was just having a general conversation with him that the markets are booming. How are the on-ground situations over there? Like, what's it like? How's the economy and shit?
Yeah,
So
you told me that.
yeah, you
But is
remember that
this
conversation?
like this is not looking that
Yeah,
inflated to me?
the thing is that guy, he is like a blue collar guy. All right, he works a day-to-day job. All right. So there wouldn't be, and he owns a business, so there wouldn't be anyone better to give the ground reality besides him, I believe.
Hmm.
So just having that conversation, gave me a perspective that shit is not as good as the market shows.
Yeah,
But
but usually it doesn't. Like sometimes it's just the market doesn't care because it's pricing in
yeah,
like it's not that big of a deal thing. Or okay, like 2008 was different. Like the market was booming and the economy went shit, and nobody really seen
yeah,
it.
that's what's happening right now as well. The markets are booming, but the economy is going to shit.
Yeah, but the market, yeah, okay. So at some point it's gonna like, but the thing is like all the liquidity has been taken at 23,000 whatever price.
Nah, I don't think so. So
Like bro, like we took this internal. Oh shit, I can't really show. But we took this internal liquidity here, tested into the fair value gap. This high held. It's still the same trending market as this one.
I
So we can expect
understand. So,
we can
but
expect this thing
for sure.
to happen. Like, let's see what happens of all-time highs. It's like very fucking likely at this point that we're gonna get to all-time highs.
Yeah, all-time highs
Just
are
a
like
bit steep.
in my opinion, I believe all-time highs are like inevitable right now because that's the nearest drawn liquidity. All right. But
But
besides that, like if we talk in general, I believe that
but where is other part? Like we have this one
yeah,
down here,
16.5,
but that's very low. Like
very low.
16. Like you never seen the market drop that much. Like it would be like from top to bottom. How
10,000
much?
points, more than
It's not the
10,000 points.
point percentages because like funds and whatnot. Like yeah, it would be almost 40%. That's like when did the market drop more than 40%?
So
Like here, 50% from dot-com bubble, bro. I don't think it's gonna happen. Like maybe the market goes up again and again and creates a lot of liquidity, then runs back down here. Okay, it's 2029 based on what I throw, but you know what I'm saying. Like maybe something like this of
I
some
get
very
what
bad
you mean.
news. So in 2017 or something, I don't know. Right now it looks super bullish. So.
Yeah, right now.
Whatever, we trade the chart anyway, and we're not long-term investing, so it doesn't matter at all.
But I just want to be a part of the downfall. The reason being, it's like everyone is
Yes,
panicking. You short
yes,
anything, you make money. You short
basically,
anywhere, you make money.
almost something like that. Yeah,
Yeah, it's like the situations going on outside, how crazy it is out there. So based on that, you know.
yeah. Okay, break even. All right. This is sort of looking like the same as yesterday.
Yeah.
Let's see. Like I sort of took a trade off of something like this yesterday and lost on it. So if this one closes a bullish, I don't care. I don't take longs because I believe will be a run just like yesterday. Let's see. This would be the long in theory. I could take this or
So
maybe above 70.50.
if this reverses, then I would be interested in a retracement trade, like a pullback. Till these equal lows
Look,
at 979.
look at this wick at 52, bro. Insane. It's very resilient. Like this market is. I don't know what news did we have that made this happen. Like we had some shitty news over the weekend, and it just got reversed like completely. Did
Okay.
the Fed say something?
2, 1, and no, it did not close.
Be
But
careful, bro.
I'm not in it.
Be careful. So we did run this shit. That's how I got stopped out yesterday. Basically, something like this, and then it went higher. Right now what happened? Vic
Switch on
threw
your
the whole
camera if you're done.
Fervega. Yeah. There you go.
I can't see you.
It's loading.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now I
money.
see.
So let's see if we reverse, if we can like reject on this bearish OB and close below like 58 that I might be interested in shorting with you. That's not happening. Let's go higher. Higher. Every
Okay.
time.
So,
The thing
wow.
is, I don't want to go long. I don't want to go long at all. Same thing I say, basically. Same thing I'm going to say.
I
Just like
want to go
yesterday.
long. So I am bullish. I want to go long, but
Me
I
too.
want some sort of sweep to happen and then like give me a V-shaped recovery. Only then I
That's what
would
I'm
be
saying.
interested in a
That,
long.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Or, so we have this A to B happening off of this 40.25 to 167.50 or 164.75, doesn't matter basically. It's kind of the same thing.
Mm.
This 64.75 is the weekly bearish order block, and this is a weekly wick that we have. So A to B is to like 167.50, and I don't want to do anything below this 103. That's the halfway point between these two levels, A to B. And if we are above this, just like yesterday, the PDR level played perfectly. And between like A and the level A and the PDR mean threshold, we had this choppy, hard, sweepy, weird market. And when we got above the halfway point, it was almost certain. Like price even showed it like it that it's certain. So I want to wait for something like that because this is hard here. We have no sweep, and I don't want to enter without a sweep. So let's see. Can we expand to 26 10375? Question mark. Like even expanding here and creating some sort of a sweep here to come back and run maybe this stupid wick, or just retesting the 4025 again would be interesting. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Like for you an inversion on something like this, for me like whatever over here, same trade basically.
Right now, this last candle, the 1003 candle without the wick is what concerns me. Like even if I get a shot, it's not really a good shot
Yeah,
because
all of
I have a
those.
candle
Yeah.
without a wick.
Yeah, but you also have a candle without a wick on the 1001 candle on NQ. It's, I don't know, it has like a very tiny wick.
On NQ,
Yeah,
there's no.
one. On NQ there is. Oh, the 1001 candle I'm talking about right now, and you're talking about the 1003 candle.
Yeah, I'm talking about the 1003 candle.
Yeah. But it's not a good short here at all. Like we're just generally grinding up, and at some point it's gonna fail, and you won't be able to take the short. It just feels like something like this, and at some point it's gonna just roof, and this, like something like this. It's gonna be stupid. No chance. Like, we'll see how it's gonna play out, but okay, let's see. So right now, like, let's see if you get like a proper inversion, like getting some sort of a decent closure.
Yeah, again, the thing is, I don't really like it because
Like this candle doesn't even have a wick on top, by the way. It's kind of suspect as well. It's still above 58, by the way. So I don't consider this short above 58 like at all. I
20,
wouldn't even
17.
touch it. Holy shit. Okay. Good market. Wicks everywhere. It's not a good market for me, for sure.
Yeah, it's not a good market for me either. Like I have zero setup so far, not even one.
You had one.
No,
Right here. Tiny inversion.
that
Don't you
wasn't
like
the
it?
inversion. No. That wasn't a good inversion. Like it could have been, but the thing is, we had these equal.
There is a fair value gap here.
Yeah, we had these equal lows over here. So equal lows is something not.
I know. Yeah. I see. Alright. Surely fails right now, right? Watch this candle getting pushed back up again. Holy. Holy moly.
I'll just tape read this and see if it works.
Okay.
So theoretically, this is where I go short. Like I'm already in the position theoretically, not practically. And I want the price to go to 79. But yeah, let's see. Where would I go break even? I would go break even at 48. Yeah, but this isn't such an expensive move.
It's a very hard market. No expansions. Every high is failing, but it's just keep resweeping, and making higher lows barely. Like no real move. Like not a clear direction, that's for sure.
It wouldn't work. Yeah, so probably if I would have been in the trade, I would be so frustrated right now.
You'd be break even.
I wouldn't be break even because it did not even take the internal low. The internal low is at 48. So with that,
Yeah.
I would have gone break even.
Nowadays, actually, the market is like NQ and MNQ is so different on the NQ, the 1 minute chart.
They are not moving together or what?
I mean, they are moving, and this is correlated shit. It's the same thing, but the wicks differ so much. Like 953 candle wick high on NQ is like 62.25. This week over here on this is 67.75. Like 5 points of difference. It's a lot. On the 952 candle this week, it's like 22.50 on MNQ or 22.25, whatever. It's 25.50 on NQ. So it's MNQ basically just wicks higher and lower, like much more points. It's more illiquid, which is why I'm a little worried that I will get stop outs um, without actually getting the stop. I mean, getting invalidated based on NQ, and I trade based on NQ, not MNQ, so that would be unfortunate. But it is what it is. I can't trade NQ. It's too much risk. But usually, actually, I take like 1 NQ positions, like 10 MNQs, 9, 12 and MNQs. So basically, I could kind of trade one contract as of right now with this amount of volatility that we have. But maybe it's gonna change a lot, so I don't wanna change it up. I can be very accurate with the $500 risk amount, like almost to 490, 480.
Let me show you something till we are.
Maybe it's gonna be a break-even day. Trade done. I don't know. I have nothing to take here, especially in this range from like 103, until 103. I don't want to do anything. I don't see a 1 minute sweep, like a possible 1 minute sweep. Show me. What's up?
Yeah, let me
Show me
show.
some. Where? On the
Just a
stream
second.
or?
I'm opening. Oh, my screen is not shared with you.
Only
Uh,
your chart, I guess.
Only my chart is visible. Wait, how can I show it to you?
Show
Let
me the
me.
screen. Stream. Oh, you don't want to show me on the stream.
I'll share it to you with. Actually, let me
Good.
share the link with you. Okay. You open it on your end. I'll open it on my end, and we can read it together. That is it. Just a second. I'm sharing it.
Okay. I don't see it.
Yeah.
Okay. Right there. You sent me this one already. I read the whole thing. I read the whole
What
thing.
What are your views on it? So
My
basically,
view
this
is,
guy
my
uses.
view is, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
It's sounds and looks very legit, and we could do the same, but not basically not differently.
I
We
am
just
not
gotta
sure that you
calculate.
will be. I'm not sure based on your system you will be able to do it. All right,
Not
because
like that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
yeah,
This guy, using how much? He's using like a one to one risk reward, right?
yeah,
I'm shooting for
1 to 3.
so one to one, and the difference is 1 to 3 because I'm
Mm-hmm.
shooting for around 1 to 3. At least 2.5 to 3R is what I'm trying to get on like an internal target,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that's one difference, but it doesn't mean I can't uh, like tailor my 3 to 1 risk reward type of thing to this one. It's just it would be different in terms of how many losses I can take, how many, these things. Because one trade covers three losses for me, or two at least, right? So it's different. For him, one trade covers one loss. So in
Mm-hmm.
this way, the risk structure should be different for me. But it doesn't mean I can't like uh, tighten my risk if I'm above this like what does he call it, this like payout threshold that you get to. If he gets to this payout threshold, then he basically try to take as much out of this prop firm account as possibly as he can possibly do, right? That's how he, I don't know, does it. That's what this thing is tailored to. So like yeah, but he has like 70% win rate. I have, I don't know how much. We just reached the PDR, by the way, rejecting very hard off of it.
Yeah,
Let
I
me see
was
what
looking
happened.
at that as well.
So I would give this text to AI and give my TradeZilla stats to AI, and I would ask Gemini or whatever to tailor my with like tailor, I don't know, make me a process just like this, but with 3 to 1 risk reward and whatever this win rate that I have, break even rate, everything, and it
So,
would make the same thing. I would advance as fast as this guy, maybe faster. Who knows?
mm-hmm.
Like probably would be the same. It's just different trading systems. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
But it would probably do the same thing. Yeah. Maybe his system is better for daily payouts, maybe.
Yeah,
Because
it is.
sometimes I don't make money in a day, but the next day I make three times the amount that he makes.
Yeah,
Like his system is like specifically made for getting daily payouts,
yeah.
which is fine, which is nice. Like that's the point of
The
just
guy has
prop firm.
$280,000 plus in verified payouts. Like that is verified,
Yeah,
verified.
yeah,
All
he's got
right.
it. Yes,
So
not questioning it.
okay, I really want to try this shot over here.
Interesting for sure.
Yeah.
Interesting for sure. I'm skeptical in a way that we might do such a thing and then die, but it can't be known right now.
Ah.
Like, let's see if we reject this previous high, or let's see if we like leave a fair value gap for real. Because if we leave a fair value gap here, or barely trade back into it and reject this previous high, then it's cool. We never wick down on this inside this candle, so it might turn. First 30 seconds just passed on this candle.
So I don't want
Yeah.
it to wick above the last candle's high. My stop loss is at 95.25.
Hmm.
And yeah, let's see if it wants to dump. This is where it dumps. I want to go break even at 47.
Good dump. Good dump. Where is your entry? 47?
Uh, my
Or not
entry
47?
here 77.50.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I believe I will. This should not have happened.
Um, yeah. Yeah.
I'm out.
We can still see this one. And then maybe a dump. I don't know. It's not that easy to reverse this stupid price action.
Yeah.
This is actually PDR holding up, so in theory it should provide a move above this 102.50. To be honest, like that's how PDRs work anyway. Like you hold like the base PDR like high time frame. If you go to the 50% and you reject, it's either gonna fail below the 75 and then you come back to the whatever this like high time frame level, or if you bounce to 75, you get a move back up to at least the 50, probably above to the 25, and above this, it's highly likely to get you to point B. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a move above the 50, and we get some sort of an internal sweep, or I don't know, and I'm looking for B, point B, and 257 as well up there. I hope it happens like in 1 or 2 hours. But we can still reject here. That's cool. It's possible. Rejecting the half of this I would be certain that we get like 40.25 at least, but might even lower to 33.75. But this market is just so relentless, bro. I
Yeah.
can't I can't look for shorts that much. I tried one, held inside the range after a sweep. So what can you do more?
I
Short
tried
is
one shot as well. I got stopped out. If anything happens, I wanna try the longs, but there are no
so
internal sweeps for me to get into it.
I really hope we push a little bit, create some sort of internal lows, and retest this 103.75. I would even take this 103.75 if we move, if we make like a two-legged move up, something like this, little this, and then a pullback. And I would get long on anything here with this sweep if we get something like that. Like anything. Like even a doji candle would be enough.
Whoa.
I just hope we don't run to target immediately. The problem is it's like 70% chance that we do if we're above the 50% and holding above it. Especially in this market, I think it should be around 70%. So we have a pop. I would see. I would look at. I would look for longs even. Like even if we run this low, retest into this gap and reject at the top half of the fair value gap and pull back above this as the same good long. Well, it would be better to see some sort of a this and that sort of action. We'll see. I want to see some pullback though. I can't. I I can't predict that this type of market is over, which is going in a channel like that. I don't want to predict something like that being stopped down. At least I want to wait for some confirmation that it's actually going to be this aggressive. We didn't retest 103 though, so it might come in soon. You know, the other way to enter this would be coming back to this one, maybe wicking all the way back down to this one and still closing back inside this fair value gap. I would enter on that as well. Yes, that would be the other way. Just holding around this high. That would be kind of sort of a confirmation that this type of market is over. Or it just runs to target and leaves me.
Probably going to leave you.
I don't know. I want something pre-planned to happen. Like I can't just pull the trigger on a big up candle.
Yeah, I know.
In a market which is doing this, like how would you know that this next candle don't just do this, right? You can't know for sure. That would be trying to predict the market. Let's see what this fair value gap does. I believe this is easy to trade back into. Like we have nothing over here which is like really pop price high or immediately or something. Anything can happen, but I want to see some. Like I want to see the first thing hold. Yeah, if the first thing holds up, this one, in this case, and we get the test at the same time, would be awesome. You know, I would be still actually fine with like inversing this bitch and totally disrespect it when we come back higher. Totally disrespect the thing and just shoot a new high in a couple of candles. I would be fine with that as well. I just don't really want to see it below this area, like all the way up there. Like, to be honest, yeah, this one I don't want to see traded into this fair value gap. If we can leave that open, we never left any gaps open, like throughout this whole move. So if this one is still open, or will be left open, then I'm interested very much on any sort of a thing, bullish thing. Yeah, so this one holds, never getting this test. Cool. Unfortunate, we'll see. I just don't want to try something like this. Also, I'm bad at continuation trades. Much better at reversals, it seems like.
Your profit factor, your trade win has increased a lot since you have stopped using precise entries.
Yeah, I doubled basically. I doubled. More than doubled.
That's really nice.
But this is not correct. I show you why. Because of mm, this trade. Wait a sec. I just want to see the market as well.
Yeah, just focus on the charts right now. We can check this after the session ends.
I just wanna I wanna check this here. Where is it? That is like a 50 or 60 something. Here, this one. This is counted as a loss,
Mm-hmm.
where my break even slipped like 5 points or something.
Mm-hmm.
So this should be like a break even, which would decrease this win rate a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
and this 419 wouldn't be 419, it would be 500. So
So
five five
basically,
hundred to
what you can do is
1400.
you can set parameters. So since you're using a 150K account, you can count break even as like $150. That's like 0.1% of your capital. Since you're using a 150K account.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is you're using a 150K account, so you can count break even as 0.1%. That is $150. So any losses under 150 will be counted as break even.
I wanna. Okay, yeah, sure, but I don't care about the 150K. I'm not using 150K.
I know you're
If I
not
really
using
like,
150K, but the thing
I'm
is,
using 4,500, right? That's how much we got on
yeah,
this. And I kind of wanna like below point 1 R. But thing is, this is above point 1 R. This $59 or
hmm
59 bucks.
hmm
It's I don't know 1.2 R or something.
was this your trade?
0.12. I didn't miss a trade. I didn't get this half of this shit.
Oh,
Like how do I enter this?
I don't know. It closed above 0.25 and then at the retracement.
Nah, 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 no. I really wanted to see this half of this
Hmm
retested the PDR. Like I was certain about this holding, but mm, it's like 2 R to point B. I really want like 2.5. Let's see if we get a sweep. Maybe we reject over here or something. I don't know. Probably not, but let's see. We might get something like this soon. Or maybe we get it from this and then hold here and then go higher. Take this motherfucker. 267. I'm fine with that as well. I even gonna take reversals. I don't care. Like I can take shorts off of these levels. The PDR is done. If I see some sort of a reversal sweep, 1 minute sweep, then I can take shorts, targeting these lows, everything. Right?
Right.
I'm fine with. I'm cool with that as well. Don't really wanna short this super bullish market, but this is like one of the ways I could enter, but I don't feel good about it. Like everything is confirmed right now, basically. Uh, but I don't like the fact that we didn't retest the half of the PDR. So we might do from here. Question is that actually good for me? Like coming back all the way here. We had an inversion. Did we? On NQ as well? No, NQ never inversed, bro. It's just a down candle. The bearish will be again, that's all. We might see something like this. We'll see. Like holding here. I would be interested in this though. Kinda. I need like complete confirmation because we never retested the half of it. Missed it. Let me check like NQ 40, 25 to 64.75. And we did on this one as well. Alright, so we hold. This should be actually enough confirmation, but I must go against like 130. Let me try that.
I am trying the short, which is not really a good idea. But yeah.
No, I'm not getting this. I wanted complete confirmation, but this market is super bullish. Well, let me try. Let me try it off of this. If I get it, I get it. Okay, I'm in. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's enough RR, I believe. It didn't check actually. I'm a moron. But it should be enough RR. Now it's the same 2R trade. Fuck, I'm stupid. Ah.
So I
Fine.
won the shorts,
Fine.
and as soon as we closed above the inversion of 142, I went in the longs and took short position.
Okay.
And yeah, let's see. My stop loss is at 130.
Yeah, same stop I have as well. I would love to see this one push a new high. And just get to the level. I'll be break even on, unfortunately, like 144. I have 142.25, but I have 20 contracts on, bro. 20 contracts.
152 is where you're supposed to go break even.
Yeah, if we get the high.
At the high,
No.
break even. So basically, we both
Yeah.
are in the trade.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same.
Yeah.
Just let me see it run. Come on, break the high. We can still like retest into the wick here. I don't really want to see it actually creating a bearish OB off of this before the high is taken. After the high, I don't care because I'm break even. It happens whatever the market wants to do, but here I kind of want to see those highs first, other than like this fair value gap at 140. I don't feel good about it going back to the fair value gap here. This wick I want to see hold. We have this weak candle up there. I might enter into this potential reversal area. We'll see. I want to see this wick hold up. Just trapping some shorts. Now we're getting to the fair value gap, bro. I don't see this as good. Did we have some sort of a like 15-minute anything here? Like high that we took? Nothing.
Whoa.
This is just a break. Yeah, I'm cooked. Well, yeah. I didn't take that high. Alright, -1 on the day. Never changes. Let me see the half of this. Let me see it get to the half. Never got to the half. Never got there. So B -1. How much I got it? Bro, I'm down like 570 off of this. Like, look at this. My exit is 29. Like, more than a point slip. Alright. Don't care. Let's see this hold, please. Let's see this hold. Just get there, bro. Didn't get there. Motherfucker. This would be a lovely opportunity, by the way, if we reached 103.75, but we never reached that level. Cool. Never reached that. We don't have a bottom wick on this candle.
Yeah.
Just turned on a dime. It's a sleep. It's a nice sleep. I can't take this. This would be a lovely setup, but I don't have high time frame level supporting it. We have those equal highs there. 1 minute. Based on TA, it's lovely. Like even like if I'm not looking at the PDR, it's like a mean threshold entry. 1 minute bullish OB mean threshold entry, like half of this candle, all the way down here. Not even that, maybe actually just the bullish OB. Did we trade that? No, we didn't. This mean threshold could play out. It's not relevant anymore, this one. Here, 17.25. Let's see what that does to the price. Holding the PDR. Yeah, well, the thing is, if I try something like this, my stop must be below this wick, which is the very tight stop play, you know, which I don't want to take. Because I suck at those. Okay, so we got to B, very likely. Now
I'm going to try this one last time.
You took 2 losses, right?
Yeah, so I still am very confident about this move. So this would be my last trade, and if I lose this, then it is what it is. I cannot do anything better.
Are we gonna run this 28? If this candle doesn't reverse, no, actually, if the next candle doesn't push higher, then we might do that. Last candle with the size. Ah, it's bullish as well. Let's see what the next candle does. Push it,
So
of course.
I want to see 254 at this point.
254. What's 254?
254.
Oh, these. Yeah, these internal highs. Yeah, sure. We'll see. This candle should have pushed higher. I mean, it has 30 seconds left to do it, but it might reverse and run this wick. If you do that, we might create this range just like yesterday. Yesterday we had I had these opportunities exactly the same area. Above 50%, never reached up to the real target, and just came back to the half, and then it ran. So maybe we get that. I'm not sure. As of right now, it's still looking very bullish. Just looking for those internal highs. Let's see. What if it flips down from here? It might be nice to get a long around 103 to 110, somewhere around there. That would be the ideal opportunity for today for me. And if we get super trendy above 167, 167.50, then I might try some sort of a continuation long type play like this, off of probably 188. If I had to guess, it's not gonna set up here. Probably 188, 25 to get up to liquidity. So it might fail here and give me that nice setup again. I don't know.
I hate this right now.
It's just wicking down. Let's see. Just getting bought back up immediately though. So their trade is still good.
I hope so.
It's just not aggressive. Although it
Yeah, it
was.
should have expanded by now.
This move was very hard to get into. And we still did not test this 50%. Like neither of them got tested. So neither. $164, 75. Here to here. Do we have levels up there on the daily or something? Oh yeah, we do. We do have a couple things. You're gonna get that breakout. It's just
Yeah, I hope so.
the thing is you can only go B, like, yeah. So we have the daily volume imbalance, and what else? Oh, goddamn. Daily volume imbalance here.
I gotta break out.
Yeah, like it should get to be off of this. Should get to
I
level.
am actually, yeah. I want to trail it my stop loss to 36.50.
I think it should be trailed to 47,
40.
maybe even like 52.75, and maybe to like whatever this candle low will be.
So
This
I
is
was risking
my
like
thank you.
my risk was a bit higher. So
All
I
right,
just made like 1 hour right now.
it's okay.
Yeah.
This candle doesn't have a wick on top, so anything over here can be trailed to like 58
Not
right
really.
now.
I was
Yep.
risking like 18 points. So that's good.
58.25 can be trailed as of right now if you're aggressive.
No, I don't want to be
I think
aggressive. I know this move might work out. So
the
I
thing
will.
is we might reverse here. That's one. Like we might get a reversal. Like this is the level which we went to. Like we have those liquidity levels like almost 100 points higher. I don't think we're gonna just straight brush there. We might sweep here and run these 100 level 26 106 or something. Like I'm looking for a short here. If we close below like 52, these highs we like if we're gonna start failing this level, this fair value gap here, I think that's a nice one.
Yeah, I'm break even either way. It's all right. I won't lose anything on this.
Let's see. Okay. Oh my Jesus. We're pushing like an idiot.
Yeah, this was the fair value gap that I wanted to see it hold, which it is so far.
If we reject here, I like the shorts though. Oh yeah. Oh fucking yeah. I like the shorts. I like these shorts. Well, I'm
No,
short.
if you lose this will be your first loss. Yeah, right. Mhm. So we are in opposite positions. I'm in the longs, you're in the shorts.
Yeah, and I might be super wrong on this.
Oh.
I don't know. We have this high time frame rejecting.
Um,
This is maybe a little stretch. Maybe I overreacted a little bit here. I don't know. Maybe a limit entry on 164.75 would have been the play. For sure, by the way. Just wait for like rejection there. But we'll see. Maybe this wick is not sustainable that we just had there. We'll see. I'm gonna leave it as is.
why is your
I'm
camera
gonna
off?
leave it as is. What?
Why is your camera off?
Same reasons. Same reasons.
Oh my god.
One sec. Um, I feel like I'm maybe right, but it's just I'm leaving it to a chance. Like this candle must reject here, which is like we are bullish, and I think I failed over on this. This is not a good trade at all. This is not a good. We didn't have like a proper sweep. It's just a wick. Yeah, I'm getting murdered on this one as well, unfortunately. I'm getting murdered on this one.
Close
God
it.
damn it.
Oh.
I'm gonna close it as still. Yeah, that's it. So I'm down to war, unfortunately.
Oh, you're done for the day.
Yeah, it's just very bad. Very bad trading.
No, the trading was good. You were patient. You followed your plan.
This one didn't check the four pillar though. Only three. And to be honest, I should have been trying shorts below this. So that's a little fuck up today.
That's alright.
Not really. Not really, but it's cool. It's just, yeah, I didn't get the longs here. I didn't get the test to the level.
So,
Mad over it.
I know what we did wrong today.
You know? What do you know?
Our initial bias was bullish. We should not have been looking for any shot.
I can look for shorts of levels which
Yeah,
can
for
produce
sure. I'm not saying that we
reversals.
cannot, but
I should have been waiting for more confirmation because we are very bullish. Like,
mm,
kind of, that's what you're saying. So, like, yeah, going against this trend is not so smart
yeah.
without like a lot of confirmation. So right now, any sort of a continuation trade I would take in theory, this survey gap, whatever, 167.50 retest, anything, that would be the entry. Let's see if it plays out for me. I'm not gonna take longs, it's just like day trade bullshit. I would take this long in theory, something like that. Retest long. Let's see. Doing, I would be long.
Yeah, so I tapped you in.
Man, this should be the trade, I guess. The previous. We'll see. Even still, this one doesn't have a sweep, and I'm not good at continuation trading. As you can see, it does fail my entry a little bit at least, but it's still fine as long as we're not below this wick area. But we are below the wick area, yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, so maybe this is the reversal that I was looking for, potentially, I don't know. It's just, you gotta like reject these wicks and hold off of this, and then you can go revisit these levels. It doesn't have to go. I don't like the fact that we ran this low. But in terms of looking for reversal, to be honest. If we didn't run this low and just went to this, it would have been much better to take any reversal trades. We're feeding this whole thing. A little stupid right now. Might make equal lows here or what? Like equal lows? Let's see. If we're gonna leave equal lows. We're about to make equal lows, brother. Like, equal lows from here might just rocket this motherfucker to 267. Catch him? Howdy ho. I'm back. I'm disappointed. You here?
Yeah, I'm here.
It just sucks I never got a single setup to get from A to B. This area I hated to go long on. Like in this part of it. Here, it's like, can't really take that, I guess. I don't know. Didn't feel good. Here, never getting that retest. Here neither. No retest. This is the only try.
I am
Yeah.
still in it.
Probably are good. This might just rocket off of these equal lows. If this fair value gap holds and this 167.50 holds, you don't really get back below this. I think you're getting that 167, 145 something on the daily there or something like that. 145. We'll probably make a bunch of equal lows along the way up if you do that, and then we can run it later. It doesn't matter, I'm done. Like, yes, I gotta like, if I wanna short, I need to see like a lot of failure and everything, and then something I can try, or I don't know. It's just problem is we only have these internal liquidity, and any other is all the way down here, where I don't think the market is coming back to 2670 and shit. So I guess this try will fail as well, or we'll take a very hard turn on the 25% back up. Something like that. This doesn't need to be retested as of right now. It doesn't matter. The mean threshold, because we already reached the target of A.
Probably I will be taken out at break even.
We'll see. 133.50 can be tested off of this. I don't see the reason why the market would just baby sweep these and turn. So this is my reversal that I
I'm out.
wanted to see, unfortunately. And I took the short with like very, very low confirmation. It was nothing special about it. Fair Vega holding up by the way and stuff like that. I just got like low FOMO of that very, very quick rejection and close bearish candle, right? That's why I placed an entry, but it wasn't right. Um, fuck! Screwed up my winning streak.
It's alright.
I had like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day winning streak. Like I was making like 1.7, DYOR.
How is it 7.7K?
Um, basically, this account was both for the passive system
Okay.
and I took a couple of trades with the passive system, and I was like, okay, I don't care. I'm gonna do this instead.
Uh-huh.
And the passive system, I either wanna like give it to a robot or something. So I deleted those two trades from TradeZilla so I can see the real stats of what I'm doing.
Okay.
Right? That's why it says. So this is how much I made uh, since I'm trading this system. Minus 500. No, minus 1,000 because I lost 1,000 today. So 6,700, 744.
Mm-hmm.
I'm at right now. If I do, yeah, if I resync or whatever, yeah. Yep. What? It doesn't show that I'm. Why doesn't it show 6,000? Yeah, yeah, okay. 6,665. I'm at. What is this? Look at this. TradeZilla, like, there's this webinar as well. Good. Cool. All right. So let me change. Let me change.
Well, looking at this day, I feel good. My card got rejected today, or else my first day on evaluation would be a red day.
I didn't get what you were saying. What?
I am
But
glad
I
my
do.
card got rejected today.
I don't know. It wasn't an easy day. It kind of looks like an easy day.
It
It's just
was.
up
It
and
was.
to the right. It's
I
up and to the right, but it's just in a weird way for me at least. Maybe
It was.
exponent like the moving average traders are super happy and trading higher and higher. Uh,
Yeah, probably,
but
but like
for me, it wasn't a good.
the
How
price action was not really good. Like the market moved 166 points in like 2 hours. Like yeah, one and a
let
half
me
hour or so. All
let
right.
me move to from minus 100 bucks. I don't care. Okay, that's point two, or that means a break even for me. Okay, so let's look
Yeah.
at it that way. See that we don't respect the PDR.
Yeah.
Fuck me, bro. I could have just took a long here. Or
I told you, right? I wanted my SL to be at 36. If I would have trailed over there, then I would still be in the trade. I haven't break even instead.
26.
36, 36.
Yeah, but bro, these are like relative equal lows. It
Yeah,
should have
that's why. That's
even
why I
should
went.
have been ran, right?
Yeah.
like like you just reversed off of what? Am I missing something here, or what is this? Just a nothing? Big load of nothing here?
God knows.
Like I don't know what that is. It doesn't have to reverse off of my levels. It's just usually it does, right? So that's why I'm like, what do we have there? I
I
don't see
don't.
shit.
I don't even want to look at the chart. I am done. It was
39. I don't see shit at 39. Am I missing some monthly level or what? No, I don't.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We have been bullish as fuck from past 3 days. We are
We are
going
doing
to.
the same. This is happening every day. It's just today it's a little bit weirder than yesterday, unfortunately. I took a loss.
247.
By the way, I took a very bad loss. This last one is very bad. Patti, Izu.
Yo.
I'm here, sorry.
No worries.
Okay, yeah. Bro, we're doing the basic liquidity sweep setups. It's just not aligning with my levels at all.
Hmm.
It's just not doing the way I want to see it. That's like, like, I don't know. Do I have the wrong levels up or what? Yeah. Okay. Look at this.
What is that?
Oh, Bill just posted about his day. He made 12 hour.
12 hour.
Yep.
5 break even, 3 wins, and 1 loss.
He caught the same fucking shot as I did. He was up 7 hour and got straight break even the same way I did. I guess he wanted to drop a trail when like that low broke and it didn't play. I mean, it was like it should be in like 19-hour day for him. Crazy. Regardless, I will take the 12. Okay. Shit. Cool. At least he had a good day, right?
Ah,
Hmm. What are we doing still, by the way?
nothing,
What's
man.
the, what's the plan? What's the plan? Nothing?
No, nothing, nothing. I gotta hit the gym, man. And I will work on the clips tonight. And I will send you a few and we'll see what can be done. Okay?
The reviewing these trades. So actually,
Mm.
it's not that like crazy what I'm doing. Like 2.7 R on average with 53% win rate currently with these two losses. It's not that like outstanding, but it's fine.
That's still better.
This is profitable. It's a decently profitable system. If I can continue trading like this, it's decent. I take it. It's decent. Profit factor above 3 is good. That's a good one.
So I am going to end the stream. Let's just connect on Discord.
All right, brother.